work on my 3-bean salad, and I like to make that two hours ahead of time at least, but you can make it up to 3 days ahead of time. It gives it time for all those flavors to melt together and stuff, and it should be tasty. White beans, kidney beans, green beans, and I put some onions and seasonings in it. And I was inspired by this Indian seasoning called Barbecue 3000, and I tasted that and I thought I need to make a 3-bean salad to go with my chicken using this. What it has in it is white beans, kidney beans, green beans, and I sliced up some red onions and thinly sliced up some bell peppers and some chives in there also. Then I added a tomato in there, and you gotta be careful with the tomato because they get liquidy and kind of take over the salad. So I had a really dense tomato, sliced it into little small cubes and put that in there. And then the seasoning started off with some vinegar, some olive oil, and where you would put salt and pepper, that's where I changed the ingredients and put the BBQ 3000 in there, and it's been sitting here for a couple hours. Try it out, see how it tastes. Yeah, it's delicious. It's really balanced, it's really good. You have to put in a little bit of sugar. I put a couple teaspoons of sugar in there to take the snap out of it. You know, it's not sweet per se, but the sugar brings it all together really good.